This is a tour of room 42047 in Vdara, Las Vegas. This is an executive corner suite, and as you can see, it is incredibly spacious. Plenty of windows to let the light in. And speaking of light, on the wall, as is standard in most hotel rooms these days, we have some buttons to close the blackout blinds, the shades, whatever you need if it's too bright for you. I do like the view in this room, Allegiant Stadium over there. And this little dining area is pretty decent. It's a nice size. The toilet by the front door is decent size. If you need to do your business while someone else is hogging the bathroom, not a problem. Nice size mirror. And heading back out here and through this door, you have a washing machine and a tumble dryer. So if you're staying for an extended period of time, you don't have to go to the laundrette, you can just do it here. So these were more condos than hotel rooms they were originally designed for. Big refrigerator to store all your burgers that you get from Walmart for whatever reason. And down here, plenty of space for a freezer. A nice cooking hob there. And up here, a microwave to cook those burgers you get from Walmart. Nice cheap options, you know. Sink, as standard. Some nice artwork on the wall. Full body mirror. Heading into the living area here. It is a decent size once again. A nice big television set on the wall. And there is some cupboards. Plenty of storage if you need to put things in. And next to it, we have a set of drawers. And over here, mini bar. I always avoid these mini bars, they're clearly overpriced. Some more storage cupboards right here. So turning around, we have a work desk here. So if you're doing some vlog editing or whatever, you've got a nice space to do so with, once again, an excellent view of the South Strip hotels and a partial South Strip view that you can just see through Aria and Vdara right there. Turn around, going into the bedroom. There is a nice big television set on the wall once again, but I think it's pretty standard in a lot of hotel rooms these days. The bed is incredibly comfortable, and in here we have plenty of storage space. And over on the right hand side we have the safe. Not a fan of these safes. I've said it before, I'm just not a fan of wall safes at all. Coming around here, you can see the standard pen and paper, television remote, lots of pillows. Heading into the bathroom, shower is a very nice size. You can fit 2 or 3 people in there, but why you'd want to fit 3 people in, I don't really know. That's your prerogative. Water pressure, pretty good. It's nice, clean, it's tidy. Nice shower. Toilet. Standard, once again, it's where you do your business. You all know what a toilet does, but it's a nice toilet. Now, I am a fan of these double vanity areas where you have 2 sinks, because if your partner is taking forever to get ready, at least you've still got a sink spare to do so. The bath, nice and deep, and it's really good for soaking in when you've had a long, hard day in Vegas and you're all Vegased out. Once again, buttons for the shades and the blackout. And the view, as I said, is just, I really love the view in this room. I think it is one of the biggest selling points for this particular room, and I just cannot recommend it enough.